ejuma de ma ye bi pa de amagana ye bi ama NDC ejuma de menim sofo bie ni kuromuwa ni Ghana no mo a
my ma akwa ba enfounder Ghana nsem TVGH so wo freme adwoa searching ebusuafo osofo Kumchacha na okase o kire se 2024 oye campaign de ma NDC amayoko no ayanya asem keto akra. It is His Excellency John Mahama echiche appointment ebi so ne so na onye boni na no Kumchacha ekotena Adom FM ekoka se enye se otan His Excellency na do dan ko Akufo-Addo wo bibia mu ntia na ne enti otan His Excellency pa ne se enye namwa ne bank no bebie no onu Kumchacha no tutu ne na ekọ His Excellency the former president na do dan ko Akufo-Addo ho ne ni kodi nkomo ena na do ka chene so fa ne scan to men's good and a men's good collapse when you scan back into no time and all the time His Excellency another danko for the former president into Kumchacha and my friend could school free edge books into school fees no this is a whole scan of the men's good into no where your propaganda send this phone bra at the end and I don't know where he no one can work when you want to so also your campaign what binds more power incidents in Kumchacha.
Go ahead with the tree.
The Empress make Kenya and say, Tree need the Mudaho, Yakwasiasa. Bruni or dinner bro for my crowd. My wife maybe saying so how Mammy Mura. And no. Eti the Empress make Kenya and say, Minimum say, said ye me ye be my MPP for no. A binum ninkaye and young people for you.
Oh, did you say that right now?
Oh, yes,
bro. No,
yeah, man, can't say no, yet didn't say to me. I can't brofo. So I said, you me be my MPP for you be a good MPP for you be a good. When Papa will say, I find your marking.
I find your marking.
MP no. Ohunwa we yedi pabia mi hu bi da.
Wow.
Yes, and a Dr. Adokofo. Adokofo Kofuo nian. Na me papa Kofuo kora me kone ho. Ope myself because you feel any JJ.
Wow.
Thank you. Eti no me yebi, my yebi ama obia nti no de me Kenya say oman no nchichele na oman pani omwa ogusu a wo bo adwuma 24 economy ni bibia eba ene ade say won wan hwe se prophet Kumchacha ma ye adwuma de ma ye bi pa de amagana ye bi ama NDC adwuma de menim sofo bie ni kuromuwa ni Ghana no mo a adwuma sofo Kumchacha ma ye ma NDC abanya wote so no sofo bie ni kuromuwa no ye se adwuma ni bi me de men kwan kasa eni me nipadua na hye da to ho ede maye se de edu ba bi me de to ho e ma MPP no eti ene se o man pani John Mahama ba that's all share ono ani nua ketoa na so obema me position bi da ode me be hye baabi na obeboa me a good president you are
welcome. He gonna go pay
baby am me pedie se me maka se ye mo asoyeye asofo asoyeye se yetumi e create office ni bi.
Okay.
So what I say na
my day ho
there be a one me da asofo ano adifo prophet once and prophet if when be say nyam djuma
it's true
what about say prophet bi and wa kwadwale wo be yele wa kwaji sofo bi wo masika duro o ma loto number sofo gira so dem was be gi loto number bra me masika duro na asofo ni bi dwale nkrofo yele eti e hono ye create say office na masofo Kumchacha it's not joke na ye de me ato ano opi di mete wono me nyosoro abofo men kasa me ho teaching obi a wote men kan wo Ghana ha
ache
what me ho asembo ne da
there be
what sofo Kumchacha ho asembo ne da
there be
me hwe me hu yie
no kre
what you say
me ayema ho akra say mehia wo true companionfo bi a na me so na bitie won ne ade na sa time school time na me hia mo no ya na manage so much yeah
it is on my penny yeah John Mahama at the me be hye baabi a any opani Mr. Julius Debra ono chief of staff Mr. Julius Debra on the sofo Kumchacha be hye baabi a yem pe baabi ni information any yema me vice Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajimai yem fa sofo Kumchacha hye baabi e say adwuma ni pa bono ano den pa ano den.
Okay, Prophet Kumchacha, if you are to send an open letter to President John Mahama in English, send an obesi actual letter no, or tonka utiu, open letter in English. Dia upese oye ema wo.
Now then, only on my main country.
Okay, o can brofu we are back country.
Now, so here now, Bible say men so new and she. And I will say,
and so here, edo ko bonimu, we nyen sorry.
And the year bonnet, editia wawa by. Because Anka you nipe bia. Any sensible, reasonable person. And you know what pisses me off about Ghana? Some of us sat in classrooms where, even though our parents were rich, no more sacking in school fees. Today, your younger sister, younger brother is not being sacked school fees. But what's now will be a count to three say school fees no cry to your man and yard papa. What is free education? And you believe it. You believe it. Say education here. How? How did we get here? Because of people like Hopes Nadoye. Me share that, me be say, senior, I dare be because we maintain here. Me know me and na ne say. Diabano. Yempe kwanya sebio ye betumi ede ayeden advert ade. And I will catch me say, oh, as a matter of fact, all the information e wo ho no o de be ma me na mpa so conversation a woni ekua say we nya aye ni nara. Mo am follow those times no me bobo ni na mo bi ati. Oti ase ye di ni na ba betu dwa. Na fe e ba ne sen. And na one man sebio metiwe ye di me ekogina court 2 years. Na sana dia o ye ubia di ko ni na no na chese ubia me na nka me ni me ginem na me kokono na wo di discount na do ho na me meti Canada ha na me court na ye twe me form na wo di discount na do ho. That is what you wanted. Into chese me me be ye o gini foul a wo di me be kiska ba me nye nipa obe use afa ho adi. And then the Muhammad starting amokeka keka Muhammad no munsem no. The people we allowed in the party. You cannot destroy a good man. You can destroy them to some extent. Job won, Job. Upon the Job firm ni na nyame ama Job enwu. Nyame ma Job nya sa netete ahotoso no wo no. Nyame ma Job nya yansa. Now we just say sika bi a wo pe edie ewo minim what type of money you were looking for do. Minim what type of money you were looking for that you didn't get with all the power that was given to you. Thinking that John Mahama is going to come and appoint you back today. Appoint you to the airport. It's the airport was Obekwa green. Now they stamp Abubo and Krofo Eyim, which I know you won't mean yet. You people plotted against your own political party all because of money. Na sebe and kame a men no mako court e court to over 11,000 they defend them. Nanado say Nanado case na ba na me na me be gina mu intima me say odi mi kodidi. Oh Felix me na na mo oh Felix na me oh ene ya fa ne fa me oh ene fa ne fa me oh no ogbo no no kwa sim no kwa akwaji no dey ahye no no name no ko. But God watches over everybody. Everybody who knows me himself, me de akuma pa. And they could this our case nechi. Na eya me de so say Nyankopon engu ye nimu ase. Eno ne ade eya me de. Na me wengu me nimu ase. Because some you get ne buy, you know, say we are na de bi ameka. Ye ni na ne o group so for some of you who didn't know me, she's my friend for years. Me show some me born me bibi me be this girl will be there. Se me ko bo foreign show kra enye Ghana for show a ekua se wa beto take it aba be support me intina me need to say or starting say oh yes ade no e wo platform so e na me ka say sister nya abotre yetia na abeka kire ye say sebe wo mu awe wo enie eye den na na adudin ko ba mu wasem ikura ba ye ikura no wan kasa wo ka say oh na na do